Hi friends, Myra Patron with you here at 7406 East Olla Avenue in Mesa, Arizona. This home is in the highly sought after community of Morrison Ranch. So if you're looking to get into this community, homes are hard to come by, especially this one. This one here is a 2-story, 4-bedroom, 3.5 bath. It's just under 2,300 square feet. So we're going to check it out. It is a 2-car garage. Now check out this entryway right here. Has a cute little sitting area, and you just envision like trick-or-treating. Great entryway, has beautiful curb appeal in this property. So look at that. Now guys, this is the entryway. This home is, like I said, 2-story, 9-foot ceilings down in the main level, 8-foot ceilings on the second level. As you can see, you've got some crown molding. And just through there, a fully attached casita, full casita attached to the property that is amazing for multi-generational living. Your mom needs to come live with you, or you have college kids and need their own little separate space. This is a perfect space, or it can be a rental income for you guys. It also has a separate attached entrance on the outside and to the garage, which I'll show you guys in a bit. But check out this bright layout. Very open, beautiful living space. Like I said, crown molding. The baseboards are about 5-inch, I believe. Through here you have a powder room for guests, which is perfect. Now the kitchen here, this is really awesome. You have beautiful tile work, gives it kind of a luxury feel. Granite countertops, 42-inch cabinets. Beautiful kitchen. All of this flooring is wood tile looking plank flooring. And your eat-in kitchen. Now check out this kitchen with granite countertops, beautiful tile backsplash and tile placement on the walls. It just gives it a luxury feel in here. And tall 42-inch cabinets. You have a huge walk-in pantry. So much space. Now back to the entryway. Okay, so over here you have garage access. So open this. This is for a 2-car garage. You got epoxy flooring. Okay, so just your regular garage. You guys, this casita is a game changer. It really is. It is so spacious. You've got this separate living space that can be either just a separate home office, like if you work from home. Again, this could be multi-generational living for mom that needs a space. No steps in here. So if mom has a hard time with steps, you know, this is perfect for that. Or a college person, maybe it's your college kid that doesn't want to pay for the dorms or something like that. You have a full kitchenette here. There is a convection oven for the needs there, dishwasher, and full size fridge. Through here you have your full bathroom with a stand-up shower and a full bedroom. Every single bedroom in this house, by the way, has a walk-in closet, which is amazing. You don't find that very often. Now, with this walk-in closet, something I want to point out that is super important. Here, you already have it plumbed for a washer and dryer, a stackable washer and dryer right here. So if you'd like to add something like that to this space that'll be separate from the main house, you absolutely can do that. So that is a huge, amazing feature if you want to even rent this place out. We also have surround sound in this casita. Now from this casita, you guys have a separate entrance. You have a concrete walkway to the side gate as well. This door right here is your separate garage door entrance from the casita. So if you wanted to keep this door locked and somebody that lived in the casita parked in the garage, they can easily access the garage through that door. And now coming upstairs, this is your upstairs area. You've got laminate flooring up here and carpet in the bedrooms. Now through here you have your laundry room, which is very convenient. It's upstairs, very spacious. Now that right there, for anyone that is techie, this is your network cabinet. A lot of people that are in tech love that, so that is included with the house. Just up the steps to the left is the master bedroom. And it's very spacious in here, enough for a king-size bed. And your master bathroom right here with a stand-up shower. Very spacious walk-in closet. Owner has it very organized. You also have a linen closet up in here. Just perfect for towels, linens, double sinks, and of course, the throne room, as many like to call it. And out back into the hallway, we have another guest bedroom right here. Bedroom number 2. Again, walk-in closet. Guest bathroom right here with a tub and shower combo. There's tile in that shower. Through here we have a third bedroom with also the crown molding feature. Also very spacious. Once again, walk-in closet in every room. Exiting this room, we do have another linen closet over here with so much space to store linens. Just a really good layout in this home. And here we have the backyard. You have pavers throughout. You have a wonderful seating area over there where you could add a fire pit for those cold winter nights, hanging out. Perfect for entertaining. You really have a good amount of space back here. You have artificial turf, great space for the kiddos, and a very generous side yard. Once again, this is in Morrison Ranch, 7406 East Olla Avenue. This is a highly sought after community, and these homes with the attached casita do not come around often. They are very hard to find, highly sought after. So if you are interested in this property, please feel free to direct message me. You can reach me at 480-577-7935, and I look forward to hearing from you. And remember, as always, like and subscribe so that you can be up to date with the next homes coming available in the East Valley of Arizona and in Fountain Hills.